Hello everyone. In last AutoCAD tutorial videos, I have taught you about how we can change crosshair and text box size, and how we can change the background color of AutoCAD screen. And in this tutorial, we will learn how we can indicate selection area and from where we can get the toolbars which are required for AutoCAD 2D and 3D. So let's start. So first right click, then go in option, okay. Here now we will go in selection, then we will find visual settings. Yeah, here visual effect setting, click here. Now we will check here, it is already checked for visual indicate selection area and choose the color for window selection and cross selection. From here we can change the color of your selections. You can change green, yellow, red, whatever you want. From here we can change the opacity of our color. Okay. Okay. Now it's done. You can see the color of to indicate this. Now we will move to toolbars which are required for AutoCAD 2D. So here we will go in this tab to tools. From there we will, you can see here is toolbars. We'll go in AutoCAD. So first we need draw toolbar, modify toolbar and dimension toolbars for AutoCAD 2D. So we can check here. You can see drawing toolbar here is on the screen. Now we will again go in toolbars, AutoCAD. We need modify. Here is modify toolbar. We will check this one also. So you can see here is modify your modify toolbar. Now again go in toolbars, AutoCAD. Now we need dimensions toolbar. Here is your dimension toolbar. Again we will check this one, and we can see you are seeing this our modify toolbar is below, so we can adjust this one by pressing here, and we can move this one here. Again press this one here, and here. Right. Now you can see both the three toolbars are on your screen. First one is draw toolbar, this one is drawn toolbar, and is this one is your modified toolbar, and this one is for dimension toolbars. Now we will start. I would like to give some introduction about this drawing toolbar. So the first one is line. So suppose we have to create any line. You can see here also when we are going here, it's showing with line. You can create a series of continuous line segments. Uh, you can create lines, number of lines by this tool. So press here, click anywhere on the screen here. You can see the lines is not straight. So doing for drawing a straight line, we have to press F8. We have to on ortho. When we press F8, the ortho mode is on, so we can draw a straight line. You can see now we will press enter, so you can see here is a straight line. Okay, so suppose we have to draw. Now again we press F8. Okay, now go and line. Suppose we have to draw a line which is not straight. We have to make an angle. Okay, so again click here. Now we have to go on our keyboard and press shift and add the rate. Now we will give some angle distance of let's we are giving 1000. Okay, now again we will press shift, then and we will give some angles. Suppose I am giving 45. Now press enter. So you can see we have drawn a line in angle. Okay, so suppose we have to erase this one. So first you can select this one, or you can go erase from here. Okay, now we will move to second. You can see this one. This is called construction line. From this line we can construct construction line in both way, horizontal and vertical direction. So let's click here, click anywhere on the screen. Okay, press H, enter. Then press H, enter. So you can see we have draw a constructor line in horizontal direction. Now again construct can be. So now we need to construct this construction line draw this construction line in vertical direction. Again go on construction line, press V, give command V, enter. Now you can see we have a vertical line of construction line in vertical direction. Again we have to erase this one. So first we will select this. We will select this one and you can press delete. There are two ways to delete or erase the lines. Either you can select or go here first. Either you can select this one and go here and erase. Okay, or either you can delete by selecting this. Now we will move to third one. Third one is called polyline. Okay, press F8 for the straight line. Polyline is basically a line which make a closed boundary. By clicking you can see this is a closed boundary. You can draw a rectangle, a square by this polyline. Now again we are deleting this one. Thank you.